Hello guys, I'm Rebel and welcome back to Anybody Can Code Python series. In this episode, we'll discuss about regular expressions in Python. Firstly, what is a regular expression? A regular expression is nothing but a sequence of characters that act as a search pattern in programming. It automatically makes searching and filtering much easier. For example, consider a regex like this. Well, regular expressions can also be called as regex. Here, this regex will search for all the words that starts with the letter F, and it will return all the words that match this pattern. And now this regex will in turn search for all the words that starts with F and ends with P. By now, I guess you would have understood what these characters mean. Well, these characters are called as meta characters, where the cap symbol denotes the start of the string to be searched, and the dollar symbol denotes the end of the string, and the dots that are in between denotes the characters that must be in between the start and the end, and dots exclude new line. And guys, here are some of the most commonly used meta characters. You can also perform the search manually, but it will take a lot of time. So we can simply build a regex and use it for effective filtering of data that we require. Now let's look at how to create a regular expression in Python. So firstly, you need to import the RE module. RE denotes regular expression. From RE, import star. And then first let's create the pattern. Pattern is equal to starts with F and ends with P. And then let's declare a string face prep There is a method called as match which helps us to check whether this pattern matches with the given string. So let's see how to use it. Match of pattern, comma, string. So if the pattern matches, print pattern matched. Otherwise, print pattern unmatched. Let's run this and check. It shows pattern unmatched because the number of dots given in the pattern are only 4, whereas there are 6 letters in the given string. Since the number of dots and the number of words in the given string must be equal, let's add 2 more dots here and rerun this program. Well, the pattern matches. In the same way, you can also check whether a character is present in the given string or not by using the find all method. Let's see how to do it. Let's declare a variable result is equal to find all of, first let's declare a string ABC Python. Let's search for ABC. And then print result. As you just saw, all the characters have been found and displayed. In the same way, let me add another here to see what it does. Click on run. Like you just saw, all the occurrence of the character found has been displayed. Since it displays all the occurrences, The find all method is highly recommended. And guys, two most commonly used methods in the RE module are search and sub. First, let's see how to use search method. Firstly, let's declare a string Python tutorials at face prep. Now let's declare another variable. Search is equal to search of. Let's search for the word tutorials in this given string. Tutorials, comma, give the string name str. If the search is found, print pattern found inside the string. Otherwise, print pattern not found. Click on run. Pattern found inside the string. The methods search and match might look confusing as they both search for the given pattern in the given string. But there is a difference, which is on using the match method, it returns true only if the given pattern matches with the beginning of the string. Whereas the search method locates a match anywhere in the given string. The next method, sub, denotes substitution of one word with another. Let's see how to do it. Here, let's replace tutorials with lessons. To do so, let's declare a variable result is equal to sub of the string to be searched would be tutorials, comma, the string to be replaced would be lessons, comma, the string name str. And then print result, click on run. So tutorials have been substituted with lessons. Now let's look at some simple programs that will help us better understand regex. Search for a digit between A and L in the given string A to lane. So first, let's import the RE module from RE import star, and then let's use an if condition. If search, write the pattern, comma, not equal to none, print pattern found. Else print pattern not found. So here \d is nothing but a special sequence which helps us to match numbers from 0 to 9. Similarly, there are some more special sequences like this. Now let's run this and check. Click on run. So the pattern is found. Now let's move on to the second program. Regex pattern to check if the letter E is present in the word face prep for more than one time. For this program, we can use the meta character plus, which will check for one or more occurrences of the given character. If search of the given letter is E and give the meta character plus, comma, mention the string. Click on run. Since the letter E is present in the word face prep, it has written found. Now the third program is check if 3 digits are present after A in the given string. If search, first let's give the given string. Let's use the special sequence D. Since we need to check whether there are 3 digits after A, let's give 3 inside curly braces followed by the next letter, which is I, not equal to none, print found, else print not found. Let's run and check this. So it is found. Now in this program, find the month and date from the given input June 24. So first, let's import the modules. First, let's create a function named find month and date and pass the string. And inside it, let's create a regex is equal to. So in the given string, there are 2 words. So these 2 words can be mentioned by groups. So curly braces can be used to group patterns. So inside the first pattern, so in the first word, there is a capital J followed by U and E. So let's give small a to Z and capital A to Z, followed by a plus. The square brackets are used to specify a set of characters that has to be searched. In the second word, it is 24. It can be mentioned by the special sequence D. \D followed by a plus. Now, let's declare a variable match and use the method match to check whether the regex matches with the string regex, comma, string. Now let's print the data. Print. Let's first print the given data, which would be match1 dot group. So this would print the whole string. Now let's try to print the month. Match1 dot group of 1. So this would print the first word, that is the month. And now in the same way, let's print the date. Match1 dot group of 2. Finally, let's pass the string to the function. And then print a new line. Click on run. So we got the date separately, month separately, and also display the given data. So that's all about regular expressions and their various methods. Try writing regex for questions like this, and if you face any doubts, post it in the comment section below. Until then, stay tuned and see you all in the next.
Hey YouTube, how are you doing? Stay tuned to FacePrep for more awesome videos. Don't forget to subscribe.